Hello, kids! In today's video, we are going to draw Peppa Pig and her family. Today is a very special day. It's Mother's Day. Daddy Pig, Peppa, and George decided to surprise Mummy Pig. Mama Pig is expecting a baby. She's still sleeping and will wake up very hungry. So they're going to make a delicious breakfast with Mommy Pig's favorite cake. Mama Pig wakes up and is very happy with the surprise. The house is full of flowers and balloons. Mommy Pig is even happier when she sees the delicious breakfast. Everyone celebrates Mother's Day with Mama Pig at a family breakfast. Peppa Pig and George give Mommy and Daddy Pig a huge hug. Everyone hugs and laughs at such a happy day. Amazing! If you also like Peppa Pig, subscribe to the channel to watch the next video.